Absolutely, many stocks that are completely giving into selling pressure at the moment. Jay, very quickly, what's going on at the moment? We had a rate cut come in from the RBI. We had a pretty expansionary interim budget announcement as well. But it seems like the street is simply not buying into this. Is this consolidation? Is this distribution? Is there a churn going on? Are people simply taking money off and waiting for the elections to be behind us? What's your reading of the situation at this moment, and what are you advising investors do?
Was this question for me?
Yes, Jay, that's to you.
Yeah. As you rightly said, in spite of a lot of positive news flows, we haven't seen the indices or the market overall, giving a clear breakout. It clearly shows, that the market is jittery. We have seen the way the knee-jerk reactions are happening in market. A slight, a negative news, the stocks are being hammered. This shows, the nervousness prevailing in the market. On top of it, there is already a liquidity crunch. So I think we are not going to see a new high or 11,200 kind of levels very soon. But this is a time to really be very cautious in terms of stock identification. I would rather avoid stocks where I find there is the debt component being high, or interest servicing is not done properly, or the pledging of shares, which the market is very closely watching it. So again, a clean company is very difficult to find at these levels, but we have something on radar, and we are keenly following those stocks. If we find a comfortable level, we are definitely going to enter. In terms of sectors, we are still comfortable with consumption as a theme. There are companies like Marico Industries, or certain quality names in the NBFC space, likes of Piramal Enterprises. So around 2100 levels, the stocks looks good. So we are not all out, and for any investor who is looking for a short term, outlook, I would rather ask them to sit on cash and identify good stocks and then only enter.
Right, that's the word coming on.